city home repair manager for the city of Kansas City, Missouri in the Housing and Community Development Department. So essentially what I do is I oversee the funding, I oversee the services and program management for the city home repair program, which the city works as the facilitator for HUD funding that pays for minor home repairs for citizens of Kansas City, Missouri. I started working for this nonprofit essentially just as a scheduler for appointments for food and pantry and clothes. And so watching the case managers there, I decided, oh, okay, this is what I want to do. I actually went to school to get a degree just so I could do that kind of work and be a caseworker. And I did that work for 5 years, and Ferguson happened. Michael Brown was shot and killed by a police officer, and not just the impact of his death, but just seeing how the municipality and the local government was being ran there, specifically off of the backs of poor and Black and brown people, really pushed me and made me decide that I wanted to make change through policy. I wanted to make change through, I wanted to cut through red tape. So all of those kind of things kind of pushed me towards macro social work. I just kind of felt like that macro social work was the best way for me to advocate for change. And so I think that's probably one of the best decisions that I made. I think that there's this kind of magic about it that it makes me feel like there's not really a challenge that I can't handle. I find confidence in the fact that not only can I deal with barriers and sad stories and distraught callers, but I can also help people build generational wealth, and that I can help people stay in their homes. It's like I guess you would think of it kind of like a domino effect. It's not just one thing. It's not just repairing a home. It's not just providing a furnace. It's one thing rewards another thing, which rewards another thing, and then that affects the community as a whole. My social work degree helps me not only in my macro social work degree, not only helps me to be able to manage the program, manage the funding, know how to write policy and things like that and contracts, but it also helps me to deal with the public. It helps me to deal with mayor's office, city manager. It helps me to deal with neighborhood associations. It helps me to deal with people who are who feel overlooked and distressed and come in and that are angry and different things like that. So it's really helped me in all aspects of working with the public. The best that I can say is that the macro field expanded my skill set, not only from the aspect of me wanting to work from the heart and work with people and work with the communities of color, but it was also because I knew that sometimes as hard as we work on the clinical side and as much love and care that some of the smaller agencies get, the policies and red tape and all those things, limit, a lot of the services. And I like to push the envelope. I like to challenge and say, why not? And yes, you can. And yes, we need it. And these people need it. And so I wanted to be an advocate. And so I felt like doing that through the government was my best bet. And so far it's worked best for me. Just pay attention to your passions and figure out what it is that you want to do, and tap into the skill sets and the classes and education is provided there. The program is awesome. Even though it's intensive and it can seem rough and tough and everything, but I can honestly say that, you know, what I got from there is why I am where I am, and it's been one of the best decisions that I've made.